Ano yung mga sinabi mo sa mga players mo?
Yeah, before this game, we told the team na this is a very important game and we cannot afford to lose this game against Terra Firma because they have a chance to make it to the top eight. But because of that bad start, so sense of urgency nag-take place mga player and then after a while, so naka-recover kami and we're able to take the lead. And I think uh, the culprit in our bad performance at the start is because of turnover and until at the end of the we committed 17 turnover. Imagine 40 points and out of those turnover they were able to get a lot of pass break points at 24 pass break points and a very important game. It's scary but fortunately they are focused to win the games even though we have a good start. So most of the time, lagi kami good start. So buti lang nanalo. And that is scary things for us. But come playoff times, we cannot afford to have a bad start like that again.
Right, congratulations.
Thank you.
Conference sign mo itong 30 points. Ano lang yung sign mo sa pinakita mo kanina?
Una-una, salamat kami kagad na walang na-injured sa game na to. So, yun. Kailangan kasi namin, hindi naman kami ni Pops na, nung past namin, practices namin na kailangan go hard kami sa start pa lang kasi previous games namin, sobrang flat kami. Then, nahirapan kami maghabol. So, yun yung ginawa namin today. And then, crucial kasi yun sa amin crucial kasi ito sa amin yung game na to kasi nga, ito yung magdi-decide kung makakapasok kami sa playoffs or ma-out kami. And then, ayaw naman namin ma-out. So, and good thing na nasunod namin yung game plan. So,
Coach, one game to win the eliminations. Nasa baba pa rin kayo ng top 8. Pero at least po kayo, inisip mo ba yung ranking niyo or seeding niyo? Kasi alam mo naman lahat yung confidence nyo na siguro kahit wise to dito yung kalaban niyo, kaya nyo i-overcome sila.
Yeah, kahit naman uh, nasa 6, 7 or 8 or nasa bottom all we need to do is to win. No, kahit na ikaw nasa top 4, so all you have to do is to win first game but 2 games is not still possible to win another game, especially in the playoff. But although still have one game remaining against Phoenix, so every game we want to develop the killer instinct dahil that's the thing na nagbigay sa amin ng maraming championship It happens na maraming game kami na come from behind but in this tournament right now it's a scary situation for us because every team is really improving a lot. And if you notice guys yung finalists pareho uh, nasa middle lang standing, malabo makapasok sa top 4 which everybody's expecting, especially the other team is getting a lot of a big import. And we're fortunate we have both right available right away after the incident playing without import. And I hope na this mag-continue itong ginagawa namin dahil playoffs is really a different game.
Good evening. Ako lang ako sa previous question. Kasi nga, after tonight's win, parang apat na kayo ang pagla sa 6-5. Given your form and then napagla nyo rin siya so you see na yung very kapatid na race play out.
Yeah, for me, is very important every game. We have to respect every game because that's the thing na dinidevelop sa team. It's a habit forming and we should do what is supposed to do dahil especially going to the playoffs. So all the things na you have to do is related do sa preparation nyo para do sa playoff.
Okay. Nakaharap mo kanina si Jayo Chu yung number 1 pick ng lista. Ano lang yung thoughts mo dun sa naging matchup ng mga science na niya?
sobrang bright ang future ng bata. Basta lang siya, stay healthy lang. Yun lang yun lang naman problema sa yun lang naman sa player. Dapat healthy lang siya. So, maganda yung nilaro niya. So, kailangan lang niya more touches.
Okay, thank you,
Alright,
coach.
thank you.
Okay.